Hello, welcome to my channel. We're still on MQL5 Expert Advisor programming. In our previous video, we used the trailing stop loss, something that you can adjust your stop loss according to the price rather than have a fixed value for stop loss. Now, what if we flip it the other way and say we want to do something that looks like trailing take profits, but not exactly. We want something like that will handle that will close the position whenever we hit a certain tiny profit. This is very good for people who prefer to do scalping, who prefer little wins. Just once you have a small profit, just close it, close the trade. It's not so possible to set a take profit that is so small, like 10 pips, like 20 on most markets. So what you can write a code that we close once you have a little, just take little wins. Now how do we do that? Okay, now let's write a function. We call it close profit at, and then we're now going to set what pip you prefer, something very small. So we take a for loop that goes through the positions that are open, and then once we get to the symbol that we're currently on, the currency pair, now in this we need the ticket number, we need to select the ticket. Now lots, we need the lot size, we need the profit, the current profit. Now the profit in pips will be the profit here divided by the lot size. So I'm going to say if profit in pips is greater or equals to the pip, say let's say 20. If it's greater than 10, we want to close. If it's not, don't worry. So it's a trade. We use a trade class dot position close and then submit the ticket number. I also want to just say a notice that this trade was closed by this function, close profit at, close ticket number, this has also profit. So it's just a way of telling who, so that when you're going through, you know, oh, this was not closed accidentally, this was closed by my function. Okay, so also now we can try to create the main program that will use this function. Let's call our volume.1 take profit stop loss. Okay, use calling the trade class. Now import the trade class and use declare an instance of it. Now the main function, the main program. Now let's use the RSI indicator. Just create an array, copy into array, run to 2 decimal places. Now open positions is also positions total. We want to create our trade now. This is particularly more useful for ranging markets. It's not going to work too much for trending markets. It's best for ranging markets. So I want to pick my RSI to be something small. So I say, okay, if the RSI is less than 50 and greater than 45, in that little margin, then I say sell. If it's just a little above 50, then I'll buy. Okay, now I call my function here. So once it hits CPPs, which we have called 25 here, once you hit that, it's okay for me. Just close the trade. Don't try to go further and mess things up. I'm okay. What if I can get 25 pips on markets where the RSI is between 45 and 50? That is fine. So I think at this point we can compile our program. So code generated 0 error 0 warning. Let's go ahead and use. So do your normal settings, and of course under input you can change whatever parameters you want to change here. Now let's start. So observe, we have a trade here, a sell. So once we get to a profit, yes, profit, it gets close, and come to a journal here, you see yes, close profit at, close ticket number 2 at profit 27. We set it basically to be anything above 25. Quick, you can cut the program. So let's continue to run. see. So it's close there, 25. Close there to close there again. You see how much we're gaining here. Close another one. So the RSI is far not is no more within that range, so it's not opening any trade. The minute gap come close, it opens again between 45 and 55. Now the RSI is very low, so no trade is happening. Okay, another one. So yeah. Okay, now let's close the program. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you have not. Thank you once again for watching.